And now, again, a question.
In burst mode.
Andres,
Okay,
he's an enthusiast.
Yeah.
Apparently he's an enthusiast because Andres, again, would like to know this time, is it possible to shoot RAW files in burst mode? If yes, how many frames per second? That's what FPS stands for.
Let's take the G5, for example. As we've identified, we can shoot in various formats, RAW and JPEG. Yes. It has a 16 megapixel sensor, so it's very high resolution. So you're going to get some really, really fantastic sharp shots. You can actually shoot at 6 frames a second. So every second you get 6 frames.
Talking about the...
That's in JPEG.
G5?
That's the G5.
Okay.
And the reason for that is obviously if you're out and about and you're capturing something fast moving, you're going to be able to get that absolute pinpoint shot out of one of those 6 photographs. In RAW, of course, the files are a lot larger. You can it's actually a lot lower than that. So it's roughly about 3.7, I think it is, in RAW for frames per second.
But it differs from camera to camera in general.
Yes, it does, and this is just an example for the G5. So it will, based on the processor and the camera, yes, that's right.
But you just also mentioned just one way of using the burst, as you just said, just being lucky enough just to have out of these 5 the perfect shot. Or nowadays, if you want to do some more creative work when it comes to animation, you can some stop motion-esque type of looks that what you can create with a burst.
You can, and you can also do the opposite, which is what you're saying. So you have a waterfall, and you want to capture the flowing movement. You've probably seen professional photographs where you've got the stream running, and it's really quite creative. Right. Then obviously one of those shots is going to you can lower the shutter speed to get that
exactly
flow
because sometimes it just happens that you're just taking a shot of someone who's just looking down, and then the very next second he's looking up. So just adding the two, for animation, this is a great thing. Having the very same shot, but just with the eyes, the eyelid getting open, it's quite a nice effect that you can start on the creative level when it comes to working with a camera. But Andres, this has been your answer.